241, North Florida, down here on the banks of the beautiful Swanee River. We're going to be reading the mail. Come here, 360s, live wires, Tennessee, wave. Oh, yeah. Spaghetti Eddie, wave it. Oh, yeah. Live wires, it's Smoky Hill, getting on down. Hi there, 650 73s, and God bless the ride your household for me and mine. You're a sounding choice down here on the banks of the beautiful Swanee River, 241. Well, I stand out of your way. Hello, DX Land, BB Mobile up north, waving a hand, break.
Sounds like that old BB is up north waving a hand. Break, break.
Oh yeah, big brother, you're 9. You're right up over the 9. Sounding real good over here.
Roger, roger on. Now you can hear me again.
Yeah, I know. I did put a ceramic connector on there this time, so we'll see how that one holds.
Oh, I'm sure it'll work a whole lot better. Oh, those big hammers, they heat stuff up.
I don't know about a big hammer, but what's this thing giving you down there?
By an S7.
Roger on the 7 from Mount Vernon. I guess it's not too bad.
Let me try flat side, see if it changes here.
Hello, could be where I'm parked too. I don't know. Let me back up a little bit.
Yeah, I had you an S5 on the flat and a 7 on the vertical here.
10-4 on the S7. Got it all.
Roger, roger. I hear some DX rolling down in there. Absolutely do.
Yeah, I do too. Go ahead and spin that sucker around and get talking about the 122 sounding real good up here, man. Local in Mount Vernon, BB Mobile, reading the mail. Talk to you later.
Have a good one. Yeah, we'll probably go on the Joe gun and see what we can do.
Got it all. We'll talk to you later, big brother.
Roger, roger. We'll spin this thing south there, so I'm sure the old signal will start dropping down, baby. But I'm sure we will hear you out there. Have yourself a good one.
Roger, BB Mobile, reading the mail.
Whole lot of DX, a whole lot of DX rolling into the corner. 122 Maine, letting you know.
What the hell? Letting you know. What about that Fender Georgia Mobile breeze?
That old Georgia Mobile sounds good up here in Maine. Fender Bender, 122 Maine, letting you know.
Tail in up there, so I kind of know what she said in between. There were several stations out there hollering at Dirty Dog. Yeah, this is dog audio here. Done this myself. It's an old Kenwood. Well, you can make anything sound good, though, if you know how. Hey, thank you out there.
Well, Fender Bender, have yourself a good one. Absolutely a rolling way up north. No two ways about that. Fender Bender, 122 Maine, letting you know.
122 got my ear plugged right now. He's the only one I can hear. 122, Fender Benders, that down there in the rain, getting wet in my G-boy thing, freak.
Right back at you, Fender Bender. Have yourself a good one. 122 out of it. Bye-bye-bye.
I see you 122, catch you next time. Hey, 122, Fender Bender, we on that today and maybe come back in a day or two. So take care, 152. I'll get out of the middle of the road. You heard me waving one more time and